Hello, it's Sharon LaFlamme with the Toothbrush Yoga Series at my bathroom sink. Probably brushing my teeth, but what else do I want you to know? Ways to keep yourself clean and healthy. So I use a filter on my sink. Yep. If I'm going to drink any water, if I'm going to put it into my body, if it's going to go on my toothbrush, I'm going to filter it. And I actually filter all my water. Oh, and let's just go in here. Oh my gosh. So, shower. Can you see the shower? This is a filter. That's a filter. Yes. Have a lovely filtered, clean, natural day. See you on social media. Namaste.